Welcome to this brief tutorial from the library. This tutorial is going to focus on how to find articles authored by nurses. The DMP students have an assignment that asks for this type of article specifically, but it is an interesting search technique to know in general. For this search, database selection can be helpful, which is why I am in CINAHL with full text. CINAHL stands for Cumulative Index to Nursing and Allied Health Literature, and this database has two useful filters that will make this search easier. Before or after you input your search terms, scroll down the list of filters and choose either First Author is Nurse or Any Author is Nurse. I typically use the Any Author is Nurse filter because it is less restrictive. Once you've set that filter, you can initiate your search. For this search, I'm going to use the phrase depression screening. The results will be relevancy ranked like a Google search, and you can use other filters or additional keywords to refine your search. The nurse author filters rely on the article being properly tagged in EBSCO. Not every article authored by at least one nurse will get that tag in the database. So even though this is a very convenient filter to try, it is not the only way to search for articles authored by a nurse. Another technique you can try is to first remove the nurse authorship filter and add the truncated keyword of nursing as a search term. Then you can tell the database to look for that truncated term in the name of the publication. Truncating a word simply means you are taking the word down to its root and placing an asterisk after it. This search will look for articles with your search phrase that also appear in journals that have the word nurse or nursing in their titles. There will be overlap with the previous search technique, but this search will typically provide a larger pool of results to choose from. If you use this technique, you will need to investigate the article further to verify if any of the authors have nursing credentials. One of the best ways to do that is to look at the full text of the article and look for evidence of nursing credentials associated with the author or authors' names. If you need help verifying nurse authorship, you can also reach out to the librarians. Our contact information is available on the library's homepage.